So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you magic methods in Python. So let's get started. So what exactly are magic methods? Well, magic methods, also known as tender methods because they start and end with double underscores, are special functions that Python uses to enable the behavior of various built-in operations. For example, they allow you to define how your objects behave with operators like plus or minus, or when you print them out. So let's look at a couple of most commonly used magic methods in Python: init method and str method. So here init is the initializer, which is called when we create a new instance of parrot class. The str method defines what gets written when we use print function on a parrot object. So let's run this. It's working. So now let's move on to some other interesting magic methods. Magic methods can also be used to overload operators. For example, you can define how objects of your class behave with addition, subtraction, or even comparison operators. So check this out. So here we have a vector class. The add method allows us to add two vectors using plus operator, and the equal method allows to compare them using comparison operator. So let's run this. Next up, let's explore some less known but equally powerful magic methods. Python offers a plenty of magic methods. Here are a few that you might find useful in your projects. So for example, you can make your objects behave like containers. So in this example, custom list class length method returns the length of the list, and getItem method allows item access using square brackets, and the setItem method let us assign values. This can make your custom classes more intuitive to use. So let's run this. It's working. So alright, those are magic methods in Python. They can really help you make your code more expressive and easier to work with. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and subscribe PythonicMind for more content like this.